Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the window motor and regulator assembly on this 95 Honda Civic Coupe. The window does not go up all the way. It makes a binding noise. I'll show you. Whoop. That's not good. So it goes down, but we're going to figure out what's wrong. So let's go ahead and take this door panel off and go from there. Alright, you press on the tab right here and gently wiggle the connector out. There we go. Don't lose your screw. There's a screw right here. There's two connectors right here. You have to unplug from the speaker and the power lock switch. Now we can move this out of the way. Okay, now we need to take off this weatherproofing shield. Instead of just ripping it off, I like to use a razor blade to separate the glue. That way you can stick it back on. Well, I don't know if it'll work for this old car, but we'll see. There goes that. Oh man, this thing is ancient. It's falling apart. Alright, there's what I'm talking about. And it ripped. Well, this is real world stuff for you. Doesn't always happen nice. Okay, I've got the weatherproofing barrier off and I've lowered the window down so that we can access the little pinch bolt that holds the window glass to the regulator assembly. So there's one, and the second one is right here. Okay, there's one. Two. Now you can raise the window glass and we're going to hold it up top. Just like that. Alright, we do this so the window doesn't come crashing down and shatter. Now that the glass is separated from the motor and regulator assembly, we can unbolt it from the door. Okay, now that it's unbolted, we have to unplug it before removing it from the door. This is the connector. Alright, and this one as well. There you have it. there is our window motor regulator assembly. It says Japan. I bet you this is the original one. In fact, I guarantee it is because of how nicely it was held on there still. So, pretty impressive. Let's move on. Alright, so here is the replacement part. It cost me about $40. That's why I love Honda Civics. Need to transfer these two bolts over. It's going to help us locate right here in the door. They can fit through these big holes and then they sit in their spot. See if we can put this original wire holder back in that spot. There we go. Slide this guy back on. Look at that. Just like factory. Alright, now let's put the motor in. Okay, so we've got those two in their slot. Now we can start our other bolts. Okay, now we need to turn the ignition on and lower the window motor to the same place we had it before so that we can attach the window glass. Okay, let's test it out. Yeah. Job well done. Now let's put everything back together. Sometimes the door panel leaves clips in the door, so we're going to take those off and put those back on the door panel.